Reduce waste and save money by packing your child's lunch in a Thermos Firetruck lunch kit. 100% PVC free with PEVA linings. Superior quality closed-cell polyethylene foam insulation. Zips open. Comfortable carrying handle. For ages 5 and up. For over 100 years, Thermos has created unique products fueled by hotter, cooler and fresher thinking. This commitment continues with an expanding range of innovative, fashionable lunch kits that get your child's healthy lunch to school and back in style. Pack their lunch in Thermos each day instead of using disposables. You'll reduce waste and save your family money. Now that's fresh thinking. This Firetruck-shaped lunch kit features a zippered main section and a comfortable carrying handle. 100% PVC free with PEVA lining and superior foam insulation. This soft lunch kit is intended for children 5 years and older. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Top reviews from the United States. Fashionable theme-based lunch kits fascinates kids. My son, aged 5, got into kindergarten this year and I was looking for a lunch bag that suits my son's interest. That's when I saw Thermos Novelty Soft Lunch Kit and explored its 38 varieties with various themes like Avengers, Mini Rocks the Dots, Star Wars, Frozen, Barbie Purse etc. Finally, I ended up selecting a red Firetruck as my son is fascinated by it. The yellow ladder on a red truck looks very bright for eyes, so my son loved it as expected. It features a zippered main section that is spacious than I expected. The zipper is sturdy and it hasn't got stuck so far. The bag looks very strong too. The kit comes with a comfortable carrying handle, which is soft and secure, and big enough to be used by an adult. The lunch kit weighs around 2.4 ounces, 0.15 pounds, so it's been very light for the kids to carry. It can be wiped clean easily with a damp cloth. This lunch kits will surely make kids interested in taking lunch to school and come back in style.